Welcome to the present trade tutorial on how to create a template for e-signing using Foxit E-sign software. First, open the Foxit E-sign page. Scroll down to see the option to upload a template directly from the home page. For more settings, it's best to use the Template tab. Click on the Template tab to find multiple options such as Create New Template, Share Templates, Create Online Form, and Quick Online Link. For this tutorial, we will choose Create New Template. You can upload the template from various platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, and more. For this tutorial, we will upload it from our computer. Once uploaded, the template will open, displaying various settings. On the right, you can customize recipients, such as customers, salespersons, or employees. Since we uploaded a job contract, we will name the first recipient Employer. To add another recipient, go to these buttons where you can add a party role, yourself, or others. In this video, we will add another party or role. And the second recipient, Employee. Naming recipients is optional, but recommended for easy access. After adding all the recipients, you can edit where and how you want the signatures to appear. On the left, you can add signature fields for actions like signing, adding the date, initials, company, email, or title. You can also include data entry options and switch between recipients from the top left. Once you finish customizing, click on Save. The template is now saved and can be accessed anytime. To use the template, click on Send. The software will prompt you to enter the emails of each recipient, labeled as you named them earlier. Remember, you can still edit the document. After finishing, click on Next to review the email template, recipient list, and language. Once everything is set, click on Send, and an email notification will be sent to all recipients. And this is what the email that recipients will receive looks like. It will include a button for the recipient to view and sign the document. Once the recipient opens the document, a list will appear on the left side showing the envelope timeline. This includes details such as who created the document, when it was created, who was sent the document for signing, and whether the recipient accepted the invitation to sign. On the document itself, only the places where the recipient needs to sign will be highlighted. Once the recipient signs the document, they will click on Finish, and it will indicate that the document has been signed by that person. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.